Sanibonani, my name is Sipiso Msetsonga Namugela with channel yami, and if you are regular at T Squad, thank you so much for coming back by. And if you're new in this channel, welcome. Please subscribe to become a T Squad. So guys, today I'll be showing you one of my turmeric mask. I'll be using honey, but I'll be using honey and I'll be using turmeric. Only two products you need for this mask. Ne? And then this is my turmeric, ne? And I'll be using this bowl to mix it up, ne? And then I will use a teaspoon, ne? I will use a teaspoon. What I do for my turmeric mask, I will pour a turmeric lamb, ne? I will pour a turmeric engange spoon, ne? Engange spoon because I only do this probably twice a week, not more than twice a week, because I do a lot of skincare, IDY skincare, so I'm going to use it for the whole week, ne? Because yeah, and then okay guys, and then I will use my honey. I will pour honey lam, and then honey umele ube ngangeyipuni ezu-2, ne? It must be thick. The consistency must be thick, ne? So I'll mix it up. Mix it up. Next, mix. I'm still trying to get the consistency that I want. It must be thick. Meli be kanje nake guys. Ngazi noma ngiyayibona yini, but meli be kanje exactly. Meli be kanje. Just have to mix. The only thing you do, yeah, mix well, mix well. And guys, in this video I'll be also doing a Q&A. I'll be answering the questions that I think you will like to know about me, like random questions. Yeah, I'll be doing random questions. Lama questions Google. Lama questions. So yeah, done. One of my makeup brushes. Guys, if you want a gorgeous skin, drink water. Do your skincare, but drink water. Good, done. Okay. So guys, the benefits of this turmeric mask azobhalwa la. I think on my left side azobhalwa la. Ngoba ngingikwazi ukwasho wonke, but azobhala my benefits are the masculine name. Yeah, so right now I'll be answering the questions. I think nizothanda ukwazi ngami while I'm applying this turmeric mask name. Yeah, so I'll be using my other phone to read the questions. I'm just reading the questions. Yeah. So the first question is, what are the 3 words you can describe yourself with? The 3 words that describes me, I would say, oh my god, why? Okay. I don't know what's why I'm getting apartment, guys. Get this big. I can't. This is not my life. No, this is not my life. Okay, guys. Let's continue. The 3 words that describes me. Oh, I'm so irritated. First word, loyalty. Loyalty, loving, and hardworking. Loyalty, loving, and hardworking. That's me, G. And if you know me personally, you know, you see, I'm hardworking. I love love. I love, like, I give love, so I expect love in return. That's how I am. But again, if umuntu oyilento ayiyona ke, I wouldn't mind unginikeza lento unginikeza yona, but I expect love because I give love. I give imvula yothando nginayo. Hardworking, guys, I'm a hustler. Mina ngiyapusha nje, ngiyapusha, ngihleki. Like ukulala ngivuke nje, no, akusiyonto yami. And then loyalty, child. If you're not loyal, kumina, trust and believe. Ngiyaphuma kwena. Abantu abangekho loyal mina angibafuni eduze kwami. Ngoba uzongibuyisela emuva empilweni. Ngoba shuthi unenkinga nami. Unenkinga ulwa nami kahle kahle, ulwa nami. The next question is, okay, can you name 5 things on your vision board this year, 2025? Guys, I'm not gonna name izinto ezikuyi-vision board yami ngoba ngizobe senazi ukuthi ngiplanani, yabo, and mase ngazi ukuthi ngiplanani kuzoba inkinga ngoba phela akusiyona wonke umuntu okufisela into enhle empilweni. Akusiyena wonke umuntu okufisela into enhle empilweni, guys. Akusiyena wonke umuntu okufisela empilweni into enhle empilweni. So ngeke ngize ngikwazi ukunema 5, but engihlezi ngisho nje, engihlezi ngisho, I need my own apartment. I can't. I just can't. This is not my life. This is not what I signed up for. I just can't. I can't. Like, I get irritated easily. Mina ngilo muntu lo othi mekwaba khona umsindo, I cannot vlog. Angiyithandi into engahlangani, yabo. And ngihlala elokishini kunesicefo somsindo wakhona nje. Angisafuna ukuba lezinye izinto, but ilokishi nje lelilodwa liyangi-irritate. Or angithi ilokishi engihlala kulona linomsindo. Abantu abakhona abanye bayarasa, and mina I can't shame. Okunye guys ngengize ngikwazi ukusho ke ngoba phela ke shuthi nizongiloya. Ukulandela nizongiloya. Cabangi ngiyadlala kodwa no. Just cannot say. The next question is, what's one memory would you hope you will never forget? One memory I hope I'll never forget in my life. Like, if you know, I've always said this. Oh my God, umsindo. How am I? Oh God, so help me. Why? That's why ngingafuni ukuhlala ngiyaphazamiseka kalula mina. Konje ngithini? One memory I would like to not forget in my life along those lines. Memory engafisa ukuyikhohlwa. There was a time where I think I was 7. Seven or 6. So if you know, uma wami washeshe washona mina nami. Washeshe washona, so wake wangihambisa siye nje i-shopping center yangala ngasekhaya. Abanye bayibiza nge-mall, but i-shopping center. Ngikwazi ukusho ukuthi but walontonjana sahamba naye, sasidlala nje, sikangathi sabangani nje, sidlala izinto eziningi ezihlukahlukene nje. Leyo memory, yo, sadla sidlala silalela iy'ngoma kuleyo shopping center. Kudala kakukhona indawo lawo ananifaka khona ama-earphone nilalela iy'ngoma nicule nje. Leya ndawo leyana ngiyayithanda. Ayisekho manje, angazi bayivalelani, ayisekho, but it's almost 10 years, 15 years ago. So 15, 17 lapho ingane bangumsindo. Nkosi yami, ngisizeni bakwethu, ayingeke. This is not my life, guys. No, God, no. So ileyo memory nje ngifisa ungayikhohlwa empilweni yami, ngifisa ungayikhohlwa leyo memory ngoma wami. Guys, ngiyamkhumbula uma wami, shame, ngiyamkhumbula uma wami. Ngifuna ukungasho, guys, ngiyabona-ke isalile for usuku lesibili, isalile. So faka nje lento lena izosala. That's why ngithi faka into engange spoon, like ispoon sokudla, mese faka lo ongangeyipuni eziwu-2, 2 teaspoons, 1 spoon for turmeric. Izohlala 2 days, hlala 2 days. Mina-ke guys ngihlale nayo-ke le turmeric le ebusweni bami for at least max 15-20 minutes. So I'm just gonna answer a few questions and then I'm gonna rinse my face with excuse me, God, that's so rude. I'm gonna rinse my face with warm water, and then after that I'm gonna use my what's this, face wash. I'm gonna show you what the face wash that I use, and then I'm just gonna apply my skincare after that. So yeah, let me answer some, at least 2 questions ngoba kade ngiphazamiseka and akukho right ukuthi siloke sihleli kanje ne. Just linde 15 minutes ne. Who's your best friend? My best friend is Nompelo Carol Bambo. That's my bestie, that's my girl. We've been friends since 2014. So she is my ride or die. Do you have siblings? Yes, I have 3 brothers. I have 3 brothers, guys. I have 3 brothers. Love them lots. Son, they are my ride or die. I don't think I can live without them. Yeah. So but angibaboni njalo ngoba sihlala sonke. So but nje ngiyayithanda ingane zasekhaya, like 3 mini me's. So yeah, and yiphi any question nje engingafuna ukuyazi ngami, guys? Leyo ukuthi nginangaki ningangibuzi ngoba nisoze nayazi. One thing about me kumele ngiyazi, social media is my business name. So kunempilo social media, kunempilo private. If umuntu, mina personally, I don't think ngiyoke ngiveze yonke into ngami social media. Like kufana nokuposta ingane yami ku YouTube or Instagram. I don't think I will ever do that. Like uveze ubuso bengane yami, I don't think I will ever do that. So I know myself, I will never. Or posting partner wami child ngaphandle ke message shadile, but I doubt noma sekuthiwa shadile ukuthi ngampost umuntu wami ku social media. That's not me. So nje kunempilo ekumele ibe private, kube yakho, uyicherish, and then kube impilo eyaziwa abantu ngoba if abantu sebazi yonke into ngawe, you will regret it, child. You will regret it. So I don't want to regret my life. I mean, like, shame personally. So yeah, guys, mina loyo. So let's go and rinse this face. I think I've been talking in this vlog. Why do I keep on saying a vlog on this video, in this skincare video, IDY skincare video, huh? So yeah, guys, let's go and rinse this face, and yeah. Okay, guys, after washing my turmeric mask, I went with my face wash from Clear. This is the face wash I use. And then after that, I went with my skin day cream from Portia M. Yeah, but again, guys, this is my skin. This is my skin. Flores, gorgeous, clean, smooth, as always.
Get your life, little mama, won't you get your life on?